Hey guys, this is Skyler from SkylerTube HD. So we are giving you a look at all the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind merchandise at Disney World's EPCOT. Let's check it out. New Guardians of the Galaxy merchandise available at Creation Shop, as seen in Dresses of Xandar. And the merchandise for Guardians of the Galaxy is available at Creation Shop. This is a long line to get the merchandise. Hey! Hey! I'm good. Hey guys! It's good to... I heard that, thank you! Hey guys! I know it's people. Huh? We have a cast member holding this. Cool. And we got Mickey Travels. There's Nick of Natural's Live. And here's some Polonium Genevieve.
You guys excited? I'd be excited.
Good morning. We're inside Creations to check out the merchandise for Guardians.
Where is the Guardians stuff?
There's a lot of people. Block Mickey. Bow down him. There's Nick's father.
These are him?
There's Passover shirts. There's Nick and there's Jen.
All right, girl.
Huh?
Here's 2 eggs.
There's Jen. And
Good morning.
You want 2 eggs or 3 eggs?
that was cool. So we got some merchandise. Guardians. Pouches. Looks like a shirt. We got mugs everywhere. Look at the merchandise. There's a lot of people.
Okay, thank you. Fred.
So cool. We have all our stuff. Thank goodness we got everything before they're gone.
The Soulstone is exclusive to the Infinity Gauntlet.
Guardians shirt. Some Guardian sweaters. Ooh, look at that Star-Lord helmet. Hey, look at what they have. These. Those Gauntlet with stones. That was cool. Look how awesome that is.
Yeah, the model that we record at the Nebraska.
Look at that model of it. Look at that glass. The glass structure. Look how cool that looks. Look at that shirt they have.
I got it for Dad. It's a good one. Here, I want you to have it. It's so
Groot box toys. Look at these Groot figures. Look at this Nova Corp storybook. His own shirts. Magnets and keychains. They got some exclusive keychains. These are the keychains here. Star Wars jackets.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Look at all of this.
The days will go by very quickly.
They got pouches and kids clothing. Some pins. They got some clothes here. Look at this. That is so cool. So there's a lot of people everywhere. Look at this. These are the Groot mug, the Groot, and there's even a light up Groot. Look how cool that looks. This is a mug. It says, I am Groot. Some Groot diaries here. Then they have a Groot plush right here. And even a kid shirt. Everything Groot. There's everything you can think of Groot. They also got some hats here. Honorary Guardians. Sorry. One is a Xandar. They got a Guardian shirt. Sorry, no, you're good. Look at these. That was cool. The Starcaster die-cut vehicle. Cool. That's very cool. Guardians of the Galaxy stuff. Spaceships.
No? Sure?
They got some photo frames. And they also have the mugs. And they got mugs and water bottles. A Guardians neon. Some throw blanket. And everything. Very cool. Pouches and everything. Guardians Cosmic Rewind glasses. Groot and Rocket. Those mini rockets. Sweater.
The one we saw at Mega. It was exactly.
Oh, cool. Remember when there's a Xandar Heroes event? That's okay. Oh no, you're good. Sorry. Star Wars jacket. I'm recording the video. Sorry. Nova Corps. And it's just there's the sweater and everything else. Cool. They got a backpack here. That was cool. They also have a pin. What is a Xandar? Guardians. So cool. This is a limited edition opening day pin. So cool. So here's a little bit of the haul. We got everything before they're all sold out from our Guardians merch Cosmic Rewind haul at the Creations. It looks very, very cool. Here's our overload stuff of all of our Guardians merch, including this pursuit with that cool tape. And we got this ride vehicle with Rocket. Look at him. And there's Groot. So nice. And this is a look around. This is the back of the car. That was very cool. So glad I got this before it's all gone. Here's our merch haul for Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. So glad we got a lot of stuff here before it's all gone.
Take a picture real quick. Of course. Hi.
Hey Jenna!
Hi.
Hey there!
How are you?
We're doing good. Doing pretty well.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited! Oh my gosh! Hey guys!
Okay, if we get a photo with you? Oh, there's Josh. He's teaching.
Found the amazing Resort TV one! Hey Jenna! Nice to see you. Great to see ya. Thank you. Hope you have fun. Thank you. Fun. That was great. I finally ran into the amazing Resort TV One team, Jenna. That was amazing. Thank you so much for saying hello to me, and thank you so much for saying hi to me. That was incredible meetup. Look at Gothlet.
That was good. $99. The first thing everyone does is put up a middle finger.
I also ran into the amazing Theme Park Express. That was awesome. Hey there! That was amazing. We saw a lot of people already. That was incredible. Here's our haul all together for Guardians. That was cool. We did our Guardian stuff. There's Jenna. I hope you enjoyed the creation stuff. I also finally got the pin. The Star Blaster diecast. Very cool.
Hey Loki, you're here for the Guardians ride. Woo! And it's Skylord, Star-Lord, Skylord. Got all the merch.
Also for Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind opening day, ICANN Robot has finally returned for the first time since 2017. Hey, that's Nathan pitching. Oh, how's it?
Yeah.
Everybody knows the pitching Mr. Mario Nades. That's him right there.
Okay,
That's him.
Let me take your photo, buddy.
What's up, everyone? Can you say hi to the viewers? Hello.
Go ahead, buddy.
Yeah.
There you go. You got your photo.
Okay, leaving the park. We've got our spokesman hanging. Road Cosmic Rewind with these guys. And it was so much fun. It's your magic. Those guys right there. Awesome. Finally rode with them. Awesome. It's like behind the scenes of a stream. By those guys in Into Magic that I rode. And it was awesome.
Seen you forever.
Hey there!
Is your dad?
Yes, it's my dad. It's Marcial. Nice to meet you, Kyle.
I saw your Epcot last time.
A former Disney College Program cast member worker.
Yeah.
I remember you. Oh, yeah. Remember you had COVID? That was
I
emotional.
literally just saw you 2 days ago, 3 days ago.
Oh, yeah. 2 days ago. 3 days ago. That was
It
awesome.
really was. Are you
How-
going on?
This is my dad right here. Come here, Dad.
I literally just saw him 3 days ago. I literally just saw him 3 days ago too.
Oh, did he?
Yeah. You're everywhere.
I don't know how he
You're
does it.
everywhere.
Yeah.
Really.
Yeah, definitely. I'll take a picture. Got it, buddy.
Awesome,
All right.
bud. Thank you, buddy. It's always a pleasure running into you.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name again?
Skylar.
Skylar. Skylar?
And Marcio.
Gotcha. Sweet.
Thank you very much.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you again.
Thank you.
Just got finished with the merch, and there's a long line for everything else. So I hope you enjoyed my Guardians of the Galaxy opening day merchandise at EPCOT Walt Disney World at Creation Shop. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe for more fun videos, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.